Hi guys! Welcome to this video and samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng mga in-order ko sa Lazada ng 66. Naubos lang sabay-sabay yung skincare ko. So, I searched for the best skincare products out there. And, ayun. So, from cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So, yun yung sinerch ko. Hindi na ako nagbihis kasi gusto ko na siyang i-unbox talaga. Hi, baby! Isa mama! Okay. So, first, 4 na product siya. Sana sunod-sunod din yung mabuksan ko, no? So excited. Ala! Tumikit. No. Wait, like what? Okay, I don't know. First product of the day. May idea naman ako kung ano itong mga dumating. Pero, in fairness ng tumagulat niya. Ay, shucks. So, dun muna tayo sa basic na skincare product. Okay. Una yung serum. So, the serum na I purchased is, one of the serum na I purchased is retinol from The Ordinary. So, according to Google, ito ay the best retinol there. So, ito. Retinol daw kasi ginagamit pagka serum sa gabi. Next one. Feeling ko ito yung Lux Organics. Wait lang. Really? Yeah, you want also? And box is money. Yes, sabi ko na. So, this is from Lux Organics, another serum. Itong serum naman is vitamin C. So, good serum naman siya for morning na routine. Oh, may freebie din na Perfecting UV Tint. Ay, nalaglag. Excited na akong gamitin to kasi yung serums ko, ubos na talaga as in. Wala na akong ginagamit for 1 week na. Tapos ito, inantay ko lang mag-66 para discounted. Ayan, Power Glow, Vita Glow C, Lux Organics. So, nung sinerch ko kung ano yung the best vitamin C, ito yung lumabas. Next one. Parang, ang haba ng video na to. Anyway. Ilang minutes ba dapat yung video pag TikTok? I'm not sure. Anyway, next one is, next. Ang wala na lang. So, dalawang serum. Next na lang is, toner, cleanser, and sunscreen. Oh my gosh! Ang daming kalat! Oh my God. Oh, ito yung toner. So, this is the best toner according to Google. It's Pixi Glow Tonic. Yeah. Excited na akong gamitin. Kasi yung toner naman, paubos. So, siguro hanggang this week na lang. And, last one, I think nandito na yung dalawa. Yung ating cleanser and sunscreen. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga store nito. Pero, obviously, yung sa Lux Organics is from Watsons. So, this one, I think, is yung sunscreen. Ay, hindi! Moisturizer. Wala pa yung sunscreen. Hindi pa dumadating. Meron pa pala ako isa. Nga, may moisturizer. Yeah. So, this is the best daw na moisturizer according to Google. Malaki din pala. Ayan. So, this is from La Roche-Posay. Double Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 30. Ceramide 3 Niacinamide. La Roche-Posay. Hindi ko pa siya makamoy. And last one is the cleanser. Well, actually, not the last one kasi yung isa pala. Akala ko kompleto na to. Last one pala yung sunscreen. So, sunscreen ako na-excite actually kasi yun yung pinakamahal. Pero dahil 66, nakabawas tayo. 66 siya na 66 siya na promo. Tapos, since ginamit ko din yung credit card ko to purchase nabawasan pa yung need kong bayaran. And lastly, for this part of the video is the facial cleanser. So, ito daw yung the best, CeraVe. And I am so excited to use this, all of this, dahil dumadami ang chismis sa mukha. So, next is yung sunscreen. Hi guys! So, last part of this video is yung nakalimutan ko ba? Yung sunscreen. Dumating na siya. Last part of my 6/6 order. So, let's unbox ko ano yung the best sunscreen according to Google. What's this, baby boy? Okay. Alam mo, ang laki-laki nito. Kala ko ang liit lang ng package ko. Pinakilala pa nila yung package. Eh, ang liit lang naman ang order ko. That's one thing for sure. No. Sister, hand with me. Dali, ano naman? Dali, ano? Ah, yeah! What is this? Oh, my freebie! Kasi isa lang ang ina-expect ko. At dalawa ang dumating. Ay! Okay, what is this? The sunscreen is from Supergoop. Okay, I'm so excited to use this. Kasi ito daw yung the best. Sana lang yung consistency niya is or yung texture niya is hindi malagkit. That's one thing na hindi ko pala check. And my freebie here, I have we have matte screen. So feeling ko ito yung matte type na texture. And unseen sunscreen. Ano ba to? Unseen sunscreen. So hindi ko same. So ito mo na gagamitin ko. Or gagamitin ko pag travel. And then, another one, unseen sunscreen. So, meron akong big version and small version. I think this one is for free din. So, I've got 2 products for free. I mean, 2 products for the price of 1. Kalain mo yun, Teddy. Yan lang. Bye!